Okay, since the condenser was really hot, this motor was smoking hot.
Yeah, the last one.
Right, fan not coming on.
Oh, right now it's unplugged, so.
Yeah, it's unplugged right now, and it is it's a 115 motor. Actually, what I'd like to do is jump this out and just see if I could get the motor to run. The motor wires, following the wires back, where's their relay that kicks them on? Okay, so follow the wires. Where are the wires going? There's a wire. There's a wire. That wire goes back in that loom, but that's not what I want. I want to know. Okay, it looks like inside here we got a fan and we got a wire. It goes through inside here to the fan, and it probably goes in some series or oh, it goes in parallel. I see. Okay, so the white with the red tracer is probably hot all the time, and then the two whites, one white goes into here, and I bet you if I follow that other white, yeah, probably, yeah, somewhere over here, goes into here. So contacts close either on here on this motor, or contacts close on this motor to get this fan to go. So the fan not coming on, this motor was screaming hot, fan wasn't coming on, are probably contacts in here that are bad. I haven't looked at a schematic, but that's probably what's going on there. This one only had 33 psi of vapor pressure in it, and I seen where the leak is back there, but that's not getting taken care of tonight. But I will fill the system up and to see if I could get it to run, diagnose exactly, pinpoint the spot of the leak, and figure out the plan of attack with the motor thing. And right now just have a fan on there blowing over, cooling down the condenser, so when this comes on, if this is not coming on, at least there's some air going through the condenser. All right.